Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Shopify POS for local pickup orders, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Shopify POS for local pickup orders, start by logging into your Shopify admin account. Once you are logged in, click on the settings option in the bottom left corner. In the settings menu, select shipping and delivery. Scroll down to the local pickup section. Click on the Manage button next to the location you want to enable local pickup for. Check the box that says this location offers local pickup. Next, you will see options to customize your local pickup settings. Set the pickup instructions that customers will see during checkout. Decide on the pickup time window that will be available for orders. You can also specify if there are any additional order processing times. Once you have customized these settings, click on the Save button. Now, navigate to Products in your Shopify dashboard. Select a product you want to offer for local pickup. Scroll down to the Shipping section within the Product Details. Make sure that this is a physical product box is checked. Enable the local pickup option for this product. Save your changes to the product. Next, test the local pickup feature by placing a test order. Go through the checkout process and select local pickup as your shipping method. Review your order confirmation to ensure everything is set up correctly. If you encounter any issues, revisit your local pickup settings to double-check. Now your Shopify POS is ready for local pickup orders. This feature enhances your customer experience by providing more flexible shopping options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.